This is how you clean the multimedia system or infotainment system in the 2024 Subaru Outback. Take 2 microfiber towels. One of them should be dry, the other one damp with water, just water. No special chemicals whatsoever. You don't want to damage the entertainment system. You first wipe off the dust and dirt, debris with the dry towel. Then you take the damp towel and you gently wipe the infotainment system. Just make sure it's damp, not soaking wet. Once you're done with that, you take the dry towel, you flip it on the other side that hasn't been cleaned yet, and then you start wiping some of the water droplets off of your infotainment system. Make sure the damp towel is not soaked, it's just damp. And as you wipe it off, you'll see a lot of the dust, a lot of the fingerprints just vanish. I'll leave the link in the description below for microfiber towels. It's a quick and easy fix. Your system will look brand new.